99% of everybody else does.
Hey friends, well, we're back on the road again, on the water as it is. We're headed to Catalina. Today is February the 26th, I believe, Monday, 2019. And yeah, we're headed out. Did some work this weekend on the boat so that we could get ready. We're headed out for a week. We're gonna come back this coming Saturday. So more adventure. Here we are. We're actually in LA port, and we got a cargo ship back there pulling out. Anyway, so there you have it. We are in LA port. We're gonna go up to Jankovic fuel dock, take on some diesel, and just have a nice week-long trip of it. And your daughter is coming out there Wednesday. She's gonna take the Catalina Express out and meet us and hang out with us. So that'll be cool. Anything else, First Mate?
You know, we're always putting up videos of going to Catalina, but this is our test run because we're usually working on the boat on the weekends, trying to make things nice so that when we do finally leave to go sail around the South Pacific, we know that everything's going to be working, perfectly or as best as possible. And so when we take these trips from time to time, we get a feel for how well things are working and what else needs to be done. It's really hard to tell what needs to be done when we're sitting in our marina at a slip.
That is true. Dog Friday, do you have anything to add to it? No, nestled in her little favorite spot here. She's so spoiled. She's got a big dog bed up here. That dog bed, bunch of pillows. Anyway, we'll update you guys as we're going through the shipping lanes out beyond the breakwater. Passing through Angles Gate. Our friendly lighthouse, and on our way to Catalina, which is out there kind of in the fog a little bit. Alright, you two buddies. Afternoon update. It is about 1:30. We are just about to the shipping lanes. A couple of cargo ships are off our bow, probably by about 2 miles going by us. Not that big a deal. We've got 2-foot swells coming in from the northwest, maybe 2 footers. They're small. Short period, probably about 10 seconds, 8 seconds. And then we've got some chop coming in from the south, which is typical in this area. The waves will come around the island and they come up from the south. And that's little 1-footers, but that's at just a couple of seconds. So we're rolling a little bit here and there, but we got the main up. Not enough wind to do anything but just fill the main and steady us. Unfortunately, probably about 3 or 4 knots of wind maybe. So let me turn around and get a pan around shot. You might be able to see it through the window. There's one cargo ship that's in front of us. You can see it up there. That is creeping along. He could be doing more than 2 or 3 knots. The last probably 15 to 20 minutes, he's just gone from somewhere out in there to right like in front of us. So he's creeping. This other guy over here, it's way out there, he's probably cruising along at about 10, 12 knots. He's moving along. But nothing else coming or going in the shipping lane, so we are good to go. And we're starting to see the outline of the island, so that makes it even better. We are cruising past that pod of dolphins, folks. Yeah, some of them are jumping around. Some of them are skimming across the water. bunch of them over here too. Careful, Emery, keep hold of something. Yeah, they're kind of all over. That is a large pod. Hold on. Oh no, she's staying down. Okay, YouTube buds. Morning update. We just left the isthmus, the front side of Catalina, as we call it. Back behind us there, and if you can see it, yeah, kind of a little bit. Anyway, we left the isthmus and we spent one night there. And I may have clipped in an explanation. We got a late start yesterday, which was Monday. Today's Tuesday the 26th. But we got a late start yesterday, and we ended up not wanting to get into Cat Harbor at 7 o'clock. So we said, let's just go straight to the isthmus, and we'll sleep there one night, then we'll go around to the backside for the remaining 5-6 nights. So we are now motoring out, and we're going to be passing, going around the tip here in a bit, and headed down the backside to
tell them how bitter cold it is.
To meet Kurt and Terry. And yes, it is bitter cold. It's 50 degrees, which yeah, I know you guys back east are laughing. Just
and the people in
settle
Alaska
down.
are laughing.
The people in Alaska are laughing. The people in the Midwest. But the humidity's way up, and we got about a 10-15 knot breeze. So it's kind of a biting chill. So anywho, we'll give you an update a little later when we get to the tip. See you later. Hurry, get there and go on vacation.
Yeah. But it would be nice to maybe sometime take a place in here. It looks pretty calm. Well, okay, it would be rocky. We could just come for a couple hours and I could try snorkeling there.
Well, when we see areas like that, we can kind of mark them on the map, and I'll check depths and all that. Yeah, it is. Yeah, you're going to have to keep us way into the wind so that we don't hurt our sail. That little sail will tear. Hey, Freddy girl. Good dog. Good dog. B-roll. Afternoon update. We have now passed the tip of Catalina, which I'll spin the camera around here in a minute and show you. And we are heading down the backside towards Cat Harbor. It's, what time is it? Somewhere around 11 o'clock, about 11:09. So yeah, it was a little choppy, not bad. 2 to 3 footers, but they're 8 seconds apart, so it's a little choppy. We've got the main up to steady us. There was about 5 or 6 knots of wind. There wasn't enough to even put the jib out and worry about tacking to keep the jib full. So let me spin it around and show you what we've got going on here. All right, so there's the tip back there, and here is, I don't know the name of this rock right off the top of my head, but here's this guy. He's around the back side of the tip, and we're passing him. And there's the Great Pacific Ocean and everything that lies beyond it. I think Hawaii's that way. Japan is out that way. And we're about to make enough of a turn so that we can go into a following sea with these swells. I think I'll get a little shot in 4K. I like to do this 1080p at 60 frames because it's much smoother when you pan. It looks much smoother in a pan, but
8 miles completed.
4K I can only capture at 30
Duration
frames.
1 hour 31 minutes 49 seconds.
And my calorie counter
Burn
is
calories 33 calories.
talking to me. So let me get a 4K shot over here. So we dropped the sails and we nestled into our favorite spot to anchor on the backside at Cat Harbor. The night was completely uneventful and we had a great night's sleep. Coming up in the next video, we're going to go ashore, do some exploring, have some fun. Thanks for sticking with us. We're going to go ahead and get through all of these videos that I have been meaning to get out for the last 12 months or so. So hang in there and thanks for watching.